Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Today I'm going to talk about Quora Partner Program, as one of my subscribers have asked to make a video on the same. So yeah, today I am going to discuss about everything, like starting from how to make good money on Quora, and what if you are not a part of Quora Partner Program, and what are the other ways that you can use to make money out of Quora if you are not at all a part of Quora Partner Program. Or what if you are not a part of Quora Partner Program, do you still have to do something to get into it or not? So let's talk about everything one by one. Firstly, I would start from, as we all know that Quora has stopped this QPP thing for English language. So we know that there are a lot of other languages where we can make money from Quora Partner Program if we are a part of it. Now if I talk about, for those people who are not at all a part of QPP, so I won't suggest you to work for something, or to start writing answers so that you can get invite to be a part of QPP, because QPP, like Quora, has stopped sending invites. So I don't think that you need to make any kind of struggle, like you need to struggle or you need to make extra effort to get into it. So don't run behind it. So don't, you need not to do lot of hard work, or you need not to write a lot of answers so that you can get invite to get into QPP. So because I know that you are not at all going to get that invitation from Quora, and they have stopped it actually. So now they have is getting these questions thing from some artificial intelligence machine thing. So they don't need humans, because the thing is, when it was there for English language, we used to ask a lot of stupid questions just to make money. There were a lot of people who used to ask like stupid questions that we easily know answer, but they still used to ask these questions. So yeah, so like the overall thing is, they have stopped asking allowing us to ask questions in English language, and I know after a few years they will stop for other languages also. The thing is, they can't stop something with suddenly within 1 year, or within 1 month, or within just one message. So yeah, they will do it slowly. But for, if I talk about earning money, so they have started a few new programs. If I talk about space, or if I talk about Quora Plus, so as we all know that there is a new thing, that Quora Plus, if we are monetizing our answers, so we can easily make money out of our answers, whatever answers we are writing. So suppose if you are writing some answers and you have activated like monetization in it. So a user, if I talk about myself, so you have written one answer and you have turned on the monetization on it. So if I'm reading your answer, I can just read your answers to half length, and to read your full answer I need to take your subscription. Maybe it would be 0.40, $1, $2, $5, whatever amount you have said. So this is the way, this is one of the great way where you can make money through your answers. But the thing is, people on Quora do not prefer to buy subscription for other users. So yeah, one this is one way. And if I talk about another way, so it would be spaces. So you can make spaces on Quora, and then you can stay active on it on a daily basis. You can post twice to, like 2 times to 3 times on a daily basis, and you can send invitation to different people, and then you can do it. If I talk about my space that I am running, so it's like Sushant Singh Rajput, but I don't post a lot of things on it. So I think it has been long time. You can see 7 months ago, 6 months ago. So it has been long time since I have posted something in this space. Now if I talk about earning, so let's go to earning of this space. Okay, $5, I thought it would be two or three. So now, okay, so previous content that I have shared, so it is still making some money. So it is $5. Once I'll touch $10, they'll make the payment. So it is the great way. Suppose if within this 7 to 6 months, if I will be active enough on this space, so I can easily cross this $10. It would be 20 to $25 easily. So you need to be active enough on a daily basis if you are running a space. And yeah, if you should have good number of followers also. If I talk about my space followers, so it would be around, I think, 7,000 something. Wait. Okay, 7.4k followers. So I have good number of followers also. So you can see the number of views this week, 146 with no follows, because I am not at all active in these views since last many months. So now if I talk about the easiest way to keep your space engaged, so let's talk about this. Firstly, suppose if you are starting your space by today, what you can do is you can post one photo today. Let's post it right now. Just wait for some time, it will be like this. Next, you can set it for free, because if you are monetizing it, so nobody is going to follow your space. Just post it. Okay, and after that, what you can do is you can set another photo. I have downloaded it before recording this video, so that I can show you. Okay, I am setting this again. So as we have already set one photo, so instead of posting this photo, what we are going to do, we are going to schedule it, or say we are going to add this photo in queue, that is schedule it, or whatever scheduling time we will be setting, it will be scheduling at that time only. Okay, so yeah, so you can download, you can choose any one great topic. Even you can choose this Sushant's topic also, but as I have already taken the name, so you won't be able to make the like name with this, make the space with the same name. So it would be great if you can make some, maybe Rahul Dravid's page, or Dhoni, or whatever personality you like, Cristiano Ronaldo. And then, like, if I talk about if you are a Messi fan, or someone, any motivational speaker, even you can make some post for motivational speaker or motivational quotes, any such name that is not had, that has not been yet taken. So you can make any such space name, and then you can stay active. You can easily get quote from like Google. You can download 20 to 30 quotes down, like post one quote and schedule अलग अलग से जो भी आपके 19 to 20 quotes रहेंगे, you can schedule remaining quotes. So yeah, and let's talk about queue things. So if you are going to queue this, if you are posting 3 times a day, so you need to set 3. If, as I am I used to post, I am posting 2 times a day, so I will be setting 2. If you want to post 1 times a day, you need to set 1. Okay, as we have post one post, and we have scheduled 2 posts. So my first post will be posted at 11 a.m tomorrow, and second will be 7 p.m at evening time. So yeah, this is one of the great way that even you can like ask people to be a contributor in your space, so that you need not to like post on a daily basis. And whatever people are submitting, like you can see one submission here. So if I am seeing this, so you can check it here, right? This post is truly good and relevant to my space, so I will be adding this post to my space. This is truly good. So yeah, you, this is the right way and great way on Quora to make money. So yeah, one is this way. Okay, so let's talk about one by one. So if you are not a part of QPP, so these are some of the way that you can use to make money. So the thing is, but you need to invest at least 4 hours on a daily basis to make good money on a monthly basis. First is this Quora space thing. So from creating a space, you can easily make money. So what you can do it, like within 1 month, your space should have at least 120 post, or say 130 post. And then in order to increase the engagement rate on your space, you need to grow followers on your account. So in order to grow your followers, you need to write answers. So it's like a chain, right, cycle. So if you are writing good answers, you will be gaining followers. Now if you are gaining followers, whatever space you have, you can easily send invitations to your followers. Okay, so that you can invite those followers to your space, and once if your content or your page space name is good, people will be liking your space. Then promotional content, if I talk about beauty or brands, so there would be a lot of people who used to ask like to write, if you will be having a good number of views on your channel, sorry, on your Quora page or Quora account, so people will ask you to write answers for you. Because I get some such kind of requests, but I deny, because I'm not into it, that I will be adding any brands or promotional content in my profile and will be just to make some money. I can't do it. So but still, if you can do it, you can do it, that's not a bad thing. Yeah, but I am running my own company, so I prefer my brand to market or to promote. But yeah, still I am just sharing one idea. If you can write answers for any other brand like beauty brand and sports brand, then you can easily do it. You can, if you have 500 followers, so you can take $5 or 10 to 15, like from $5 to $15 you can easily take for 500 followers if you have. And if I talk about other than this, so by monetization, by monetizing, as I told you, like let's talk about how to monetize your answer, right? So whatever answers you are writing, you can see it here. You can see this symbol, adaptive paywall. Okay, so it's like this answer has been monetized. I have turned on firstly, I have good number of upvotes. So if someone is reading this answer, they can read this answer, maybe half they can read this answer till this length, and after that they need to buy the subscription for my account. So this is the right way to make money from Quora. Okay, so also if you are a part of Quora, so you can ask questions on French, Spanish, German. And also I would say, don't waste your time in asking questions in English language, because QPP has been stopped for that language. So you need not to waste your time for in English language. Then if I talk about coming back to questions part, so if you are a part of QPP, you can ask 50 to 60 questions on a daily basis. And if you are asking questions in three languages, try to cover at least 120 questions to make a good profit out of Quora, right? If you are covering three languages, French, German and Spanish, okay, or even Italian, whatever three languages you are choosing, or Hindi if you are from India, so just concentrate in three language. Don't run behind 5 to 10 languages. Just choose any three best language that you can go for, and start asking questions on these three language, and cover at least 120 questions on a daily basis. And it would be great if you can start writing questions in a sheet. Okay, and yeah, you can easily get questions from different platforms, maybe from internet. And what you can do is, let me tell you one trick. Okay, suppose you are going here, now you can see it here. Okay, or like if you are seeing something, some questions, then if I talk about this question, you can easily copy this question and translate it in different language. If it is in French, then you can translate it in Italian, and then you can ask this question. So you can do it, but don't forget to check whether this question has been already asked in the platform, like that language or not. If it is not at all there, then only add. If it is there, then don't ask it, because it won't make any sense, right? You are just wasting your time, nothing else. So yeah, cover 120 questions at least on a daily basis, so that if in case if there would be some days when you won't be able to ask any questions, so that's okay. At least whatever questions you have asked so far, so at least these questions will be money, will be will make money enough. So if you are you are taking breaks for 2 to 3 days, so that is manageable. So not at all a big problem. right? So also, yeah, don't blindly trust Google Translate, because if you are doing it, if you are just copying any questions in English language and translating from Google Translate to French or Spanish, so there would be a lot of mistakes. Quora will ban your account, because I have been through this issue, but they banned me for 1 week, and yeah, it was a big trouble for me. I was unable to edit my answer, I was unable to comment anywhere, I was unable to write any answer, so it was a big issue. You can just turn on the Quora app and you can just see others answer, you can just see the questions, you can just see your analytics, and other than this you can't do anything. And if I am repeating this mistake again, so they will be banning me permanently, because Quora has already blocked my or banned my account so far, with good number of views, millions of views and followers. And later on they deactivated one account, but one account is still banned. So yeah, I don't want this account to be banned, so I am just like giving you guys a kind of warning, or say alert, not to repeat the mistakes that I have made. So yeah, these are the things that you can do, and yeah, you can follow the things. And if you are not a part of QPP, I would suggest you to run a space to write answers, monetize your answers. I have told you how to monetize your answers. You can go here and you can see it here. Okay, there would be one question like free, either you can make it free or monetize. As it is monetized, so you can see this green symbol, and if it would be free, so you can see this symbol. So when you are not at all setting anything, it would be like this, so you need to click on this, then you can set it as monetized. Okay, so if people want to read your complete answer, they will be paying some amount, and this will help you to make some money out of Quora. So yeah, for those who are not at all a part of QPP, there are two great options for them. First is space, to make money from space. Second is answers, start writing answers. And both these are connected to each other. How? If you are writing answers, you will be gaining followers, and if you are gaining followers, these followers you can use for Quora space invitations. And once your space followers are increasing, you can make good money, because your content engagement will be increased, and yeah, everything will be in loop. So yeah, you can do well on your Quora space also. And it's not like you can just run one space, but you can run multiple space, so focus on that only. If you still have any doubt, just let me know, I can make things more clear. And if you want me to come up with questions in different language, I can share different set of questions also. The thing is, I'm not at all asking questions on Quora these days. It has been, I think, 5 to 6 months since Quora is stopped allowing us to ask questions on English language. I have stopped asking questions, because that French and Italian was taking a lot of my time, and it's hard for me to make enough time to like translate question and then look whether there is any mistake in this translation or not. But still, if you want, you can do it. If you have any issues, just let me know, I can help you with it, and I can help you in making good amount out of Core. At least $100 to $200 you can easily make, if you are following each and everything, like monetizing your answers. You are getting good 1K or 2K upvotes with 100K to 200K views, then you can easily make. As I'm not doing anything on Quora, but still whatever answers I have written, whatever spaces I have created, there is like good amount out of it, not from spaces but from answers that I have written. I am making good money, still I am making good money out of Quora. And the previous questions that I have written, I am still making money, and I am getting like payment from Quora on a monthly basis. So yeah, still if you are a part of QPP, you can stay, you can keep asking questions on Quora. I won't say you to not to ask questions. I have time issues, that's why I am unable to ask questions. So yeah, if still you need any further help, just let me know, please. So stay tuned and keep Quoraing, and whatever tips I have given you, just work on it, focus on it, and create your space today. Start posting content and choose any topic from where, like, in which you can get lot of content from internet. You need not to do anything. You can just like whatever content you are getting, you can just queue those content for one month or 1 week or 2 month 2 week, so that you need not to spend a lot of time and you can do well on Quora. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in comment box if this video is helpful for you. Stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if you want me to come up with any topic. So bye bye, stay tuned, take care.